ओमपुरी, नसीरुद्दीन शाह, अमरीश पुरी साहब, या अनुपम खेर, या और नाम ले लीजिए, या शबाना आज़मी, जब वो सिनेमा होता था, अर्धसत्य, आक्रोश,
स्मिता पाटिल, हाँ,
मतलब जब टॉपिक्स की बात होती थी, लोगों के मसलों की बात होती थी, मुद्दों की बात होती थी। आज का सिनेमा, अगर आप पहले के सिनेमा के मुकाबले देखती हैं तो क्या मिस करती हैं?
देखिए आई टेल यू,
मैं तो ओमपुरी जी को मिस करूंगा,
हाँ वो तो है,
मतलब जिस तरीके से वो किसान का बेटा होने के नाते वो दर्द को समझते हुए अपने अंदर से कला को निकालते थे, वो नेचुरल होता था।
या
तो आज विषयों के बारे में, मुद्दों के बारे में
सी आई विल,
क्या मिस है?
जब इंडियन सिनेमा, हिंदी सिनेमा एक ज़माने में तो थोड़ा कमर्शियल, टू कमर्शियल हो गया। आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग ऑफ द रोड हो गया। आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग ऑफ द लेजेंड्स लाइक बिमल रॉय, राज कपूर, you know, you name them, all of them, you know. But then it became too this thing. That is the time I think India needed, Hindi cinema needed, and it's the largest film producing country in the world. So they needed that little, ठीक है. So they went into, at that point in time, Satyajit Ray, Mrinal Sen, Shyam Benegal, Govind Nihalani, Adur Gopalakrishnan, the whole lot of them came. And I think Om Puri, Nasiruddin Shah, Shabana Azmi, Smita Patil were the four pillars of that movement. And they were very lucky to be around that time. It's not that there were lots of other talents which came around, but they just got lucky, and of course their talent. So I remember one interview, Shabana looks at Nasir and Om's photograph from FTR, both of them, Sukra से, तुम दोनों को हिम्मत कैसे हुए? ये शक्ल लेके
आपकी ज़रूरत कैसे हुई कि ये शक्ल लेकर आप FTR आए जा रहे हैं?
And they also made fun of Shabana. हाँ, उनको ऊपर भी कुछ, so Shabana, you know, kind of thing. But it is true that at that point they were lucky that the face worked. When you had Dharmendra, Shashi Kapoor, you know, all the chocolate boy looks that these guys were, and you know, the Bishwajit and all those Joy, who was that? Joy Mukherjee and all. They were the chocolate boy heroes. Here they worked, and because the talent came first. I remember, but what happened? Slowly the art movement died down because people got a little tired of that kind of cinema. People again wanted to spend 3 hours in a theatre. You want to see Switzerland and you know, the chiffons
glamour,
and all, glamour, absolutely.
Items and all.
But with the urban multiplex which came out in the 2002 onwards, जो multiplex culture हो गया, that was, I think, a very good balance. Because of there you do get some fabulous films, and you also get the entertainment films. Like a Pathan is doing as good as you can say, you know, and even if you look at Jawan, it is not wholly entertainment. There is a lot of message in it. Now how you give it, you have to give it to the आम जनता को, आपको वैसे ही देना पड़ेगा, commercial way. And the serious, you still have some very good films going on at the same time, you know, like Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Now there was also a second, Nawaz was there at the launch of the Om Puri Festival, Om Puri Foundation in Cannes. He was that time promoting Manto. वो और नंदिता दास के साथ, हाँ, दोनों आए थे. So नवाज जिस दिन ओम जी गुजर गए, उसका 3, 4, 5, 6 दिन बाद he came. He's my neighbor also. He said, Bhabhi ji, I just could not come. I was crying so much. And the one word he said really touched me. Saying, हम जो बॉम्बे गए, हम अमिताभ बच्चन और शशि कपूर और धर्मेंद्र को नहीं देख के बॉम्बे गए, हम ओम पुरी और नसीरुद्दीन शाह को देख के हमारा, you know, so that really brought tears in my eyes. So then we have a whole lot of very good, whether it is him, whether it is Pankaj Tripathi, you name them, it's good, and they're doing their. Omji always believes cinema has no language. You know, it's got to be, you got to love cinema. He loved his art, and he never distinguished between art and commercial. He said there can be a very bad art cinema, जो ज़्यादातर होते नहीं क्योंकि directors were very sensible, writers were sensible. But there can also be a very good commercial cinema. Like I said, look at Jawan Pathan.
Jawan Pathan, yes, of course.
Yeah. And so the whole idea, even you see Chandu Champion, what a film. So the thing is, cinema is, it could be, you can't say bad or good. It's a well taken film, well received or a not so well received. You feel happy, satisfied doing one kind of film. One film you may not feel
Right.
happy. तो क्या है? All depends on the script or director, the actors. How the script is content. Script is king. So अगर आपको script अच्छा है,
Content, script is king.
absolutely content is king.